Animals and their sounds. Donkey, he, haw. Goat, bleat. Dolphin, click. Elephant, trumpet. Snake, hiss. Bee, booze. Bird, chirp or tweet. Monkey, chatter or hoot. Frog, quack. Dog, bark. Cat, mew. Cow, moo. Sheep, baa. Pig, oink. Duck, quack. Horse, neigh. Lion, roar. Wolf, howl. Gorilla, grunt. Human. Human doesn't really have specific sound, but human can be said to talk, laugh, cry. Squirrel, squeak. Tiger, roar. Hyena, laugh. Leopard, roar. Opossum, that is Virginia opossum, hiss. Housefly, booze. Chicken, cluck. Tortoise. Tortoise makes several sounds depending on the situation. Tortoise, hiss. Tortoise, grunt. Tortoise, also chirp. And next, mosquito, a very disturbing animal. Alright, if you know the sound made by mosquito, kindly drop it in the comment section. Let's see those that are able to get it correctly. Thank you very much for watching.